Well, there was a whole lot of stuff that we should have done, and we didn't do any of it. And the reason for that is we don't really have time. The Derby is tomorrow, and I have done the best that I could do with what I had. Steven's begging me to paint this car. I told him we don't have time. I have to go to work here in about 20 minutes. I didn't really film a whole lot on the front end, but let's take a look. So we got the bumper on. We got a plate. We got threaded rod. We got another plate. We got the seat belt. We're not allowed threaded rod there, and we're not allowed to have the sub welded, so we don't have any of that. And then we have the strut spacer only on passenger side. I don't know why there's not one on driver's side. And then something that made me feel super sick is we have a plate welded to the sub down there, but it's a galvanized plate. So that made me feel fantastic last night. But yeah, the car's about as tough as it can go. This is the threaded rod to the frame right here. This one right here we just welded to the front plate. So it's not on there fantastic, but it's better than nothing. We still have to put water on it. Steven wants me to fix the motor mount, but I told him it's fine. He's losing his crap. We threw a shifter on it just to get a shifter in it because the other one was, I think, was going to break. We got a new battery in it, and we got the gas tank full of gas. So I think we're going to load this thing up, and I think that is just about it for it. This is the third time this year, put up 3 fingers, that I have said this is the last Derby. And I mean it. This is the last Derby of 2025 for me this year. I said Simcoe. I wasn't going to go to Simcoe, and then Simcoe was my last one because I won the points. And then I wasn't going to go to Lindsay, but then we built that Mini Cooper in less... Sorry, not the Mini Cooper. That VW Bug in less than 5 hours. It let us down, but we're not going to talk about that. And then we built this thing. We turned it from a pretty messed up car that I had to store for another winter that was just probably going to be torn apart into an actually, hopefully, half competitive, underbuilt, no-name demo car. So hopefully this thing here kind of gives us a good run. I am fully planning on driving this thing like a absolute idiot because I do not want to store it. The back of the car is going to be weak, so I plan to be nose out most of the Derby. I've already got all my stuff loaded, so I wish I had filmed a little bit more, but time is on the essence here. So let's get her loaded in the pouring rain, and then we will see you guys at the Derby right here tomorrow. So stay tuned. they're seized. So that didn't work.